In a few easy steps, we will demonstrate how to upload a paper power of attorney, or POA, Form GEN-58. First, scan and save your completed and signed Form GEN-58 to your device. Then, navigate to the POA webpage. Click the upload link and start entering the taxpayer's information. All information entered must match the paper form. If a POA is representing a taxpayer and their spouse, click Add Spouse and enter the spouse's information. Next, enter the representative's information. Up to 3 representatives can be added. Next, enter the tax matters the POA will be authorized to discuss with the department. Select the appropriate tax type in the drop-down box, and then use the calendars to input the applicable tax period. Add additional tax types by clicking Add. Next, attach a signed Form GEN-58 by clicking Attach. Select the saved form from your device and then click Open. This should upload your form. Lastly, enter the submitter's information, which is the person completing the upload. Before submitting, ensure all information is entered correctly and matches the information on the paper form. Once submitted, the submitter will receive an email confirming the receipt of their signed GEN-58 Power of Attorney upload. The POA form will be sent to NCDOR for processing and validation. Submitters should not send a duplicate signed form to NCDOR.